In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get to CPanel in Namecheap in just a few quick steps. If you're managing a website, installing WordPress, setting up email, or changing hosting settings, this is one of the first things you need to know. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly, so even if you're brand new to Namecheap, you'll be able to follow along without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Namecheap account. Open your browser and go to the Namecheap website, then sign in with the email address and password associated with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From here, look over to the left sidebar and find the option called Hosting List. This is where all of your hosting plans are shown in one place. Click on Hosting List to continue. After that, you'll see your hosting plan or plans listed on the page. If you have more than one service, make sure you choose the correct hosting plan for the website you want to manage. This step is important because CPanel will open for the specific hosting package you select. Once you've found the right hosting plan, look to the right side of that row and click Go To CPanel. That button is the direct shortcut that takes you from your Namecheap account straight into your hosting control panel. After you click it, Namecheap will automatically open your CPanel dashboard in a new page. You may need to wait a moment while it loads, but once it's ready, you'll be inside CPanel and able to manage your files, domains, email accounts, databases, backups, and more. So to recap, you log into Namecheap, click Hosting List, find your hosting plan, and then click Go to CPanel. That's all there is to it. If you are looking for a simple way to access your CPanel in Namecheap, now you know exactly where to go. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.